G'day, welcome to Fishing Cotton Tree. It is Sunday, it is a smacker of a day here on the coast. It should be called the Spectacular Coast. That's how nice it is here. I'm at Cotton Tree and I'm using bullet lures for the first time. And I've caught myself my first flatty, about 5 casts in. Here we go, I'm going to show you the flatty caught on a bullet lure. Thanks to Ray Gamble, mate. I really appreciate you sending up these lures, mate. Look at this, flatty. Small flatty, but it's going back in, but I'm going to keep using these bullet lures and catch some more.